I'm pushing my tongue forward.
Mm-hmm.
Where's it coming? I mean, forward from where?
From the back of your bag. You hold it back in the bag.
Alright.
Up.
How the hell are you holding it back there? Did it?
And you gotta push it forward.
Do what?
Put your air out with your tongue.
I'll push your air with the tongue. What are you, Mario music?
Toing, toing.
I can't do that either.
Let's try again.
I can't even put my tongue back.
Wait.
My tongue doesn't do that. Wait a minute. You got it folded?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, underneath your teeth?
Yeah. The tip of it's folded back under my teeth.
Mm-hmm. You're just making fucking
No.
That shit ain't natural. Wait a minute.
I don't know if I can do it left side now.
It's louder. So, hold on. Step by step.
Pull the tongue back. Put the tip
I
down.
mean, how far back does it gotta go?
Put the tip
I'm
down.
damn near choking on it.
Touches a little fleshy thing underneath. The tip of it touches a little flesh thing.
Okay.
Well, purse your lips.
Huh?
Purse your lips.
I thought I was.
Push your air out. No, without sticking your tongue out.
I ain't got all this damn tongue down. Oh, God.
Feel the air come out.
It's 1:11. I can't do all that bullshit. Who taught you how to do that?
Timothy Walker.
Did you took lessons just like this? Like
Yeah,
I'm
just
doing?
like this. Very similar.
And did you look like a fool like I did?
Mm-hmm.
All I'm doing is smacking my face.
You gotta thumb it at the same time you push your air out. You getting there? I'm trying to do it for you.
I can't do that. It's a nicotine. Sorry.
Okay, push your tip of your tongue against the bottom of your teeth.
Mm-hmm.
And move the rest of your tongue back. And then force the air out of your mouth with it.
How do you move the rest of your tongue back, but you still got touching the back of your teeth? You got an unusually long tongue or something? No, short actually. Look, you're touching the back of your teeth, but you're moving the back of your tongue back, and the front part's not going with it.
I just tried to do it and almost threw up.
You can't do it. I quit. I need alcohol for that.